Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. So in this video I want to show you how to set default apps. A default app is just setting a specific application to open a specific file in your computer automatically. So to do so, you're going to right click on the start button, then choose apps and features, then go to default apps. So on the immediate right you can see several default apps that have been set in my computer. If I wanted to open any photos, it will automatically open with photo viewer. If I wanted to open any movies or videos, it will open with movies and TV application. If I wanted to open any web-based application, it will open with a web browser. So this can change by selecting on the application, then click on any application that you want to be the default. In this case, I want to change my default web browser to Google Chrome. So anytime I open any web-based application, it will automatically open in Google Chrome. Alternatively, you can also choose default apps by file type, choose default apps by protocol, or set default apps by app. So I'll choose set defaults by app. Then it's going to show you a list of applications that you have in your computer. So for example, if I wanted to check what Adobe Reader application can open, I'll click on it, then choose manage. So on the left you can see the name of all files or the file extensions that Adobe Reader can open. So the common one here is a PDF file. So in this case you can see my default app to open a PDF document or file is Microsoft Edge, but if I wanted it to change to Adobe Reader, then I'll just click, then choose Adobe Reader from the list. So let's try a different app. Let me look for a different one, like for example Port Player. So Port Player can open a movie, a video, a music file, or any other. So when I click on manage, you can see the list of files Port Player can open. All these the .avi files among others. So in this case, I want my MP4 files, all my MP4 files to be opened by the Port Player application. So I'll go to .mp4 file, then choose the application that I want. So in this case, the default one is movies and TV application, but I want Port Player. So when I go to open any music file, automatically it's going to open with Port Player application. So you can change as many as you want. Hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave the comment below.